Wow, we just received an amazing 5-star review from one of our new happy customers. They were so excited about our great customer service, they went online and left this fantastic review. Here's what they had to say. What a great review. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy customer's experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. So let us put our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience and 5-star customer service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're only one call away from serving you.